Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourself. Please subscribe the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Today I am going to share the details of Bank of India Star Loan Against Property and Star Reverse Mortgage Loan. Bank of India Star Loan Against Property. Bank of India Star Loan Against Property. Let your assets to take care of your financial needs. Features. Maximum repayment tenure up to 180 months, that is 15 years. EMI starting at rupees 1081 rupees per lakh. Holiday moratorium period up to 6 months. Take takeover or balance transfer facility with additional loan amount is available. Demand a term loan facility up to 1500 lakhs is available. Reducible overdraft facility up to 1500 lakhs is available. Advantages: low interest rate, minimal documentation, no hidden charges, no prepayment penalty. Eligibility: resident Indian, NRI, PIO are eligible. Individuals, salaried or self-employed or professionals. Regular and confirmed employees or individuals with high net worth, professionals, self-employed and people engaged in trade, commerce and business, engaged in business profession for a minimum period of 3 years. Individuals in permanent service, maximum 60 years or retirement age, whichever is earlier. For self-employed or non-salaried people, sanctioning authority may relax the age limit by 10 years, that is up to 70 years. Documents: proof of identity, anyone, Aadhaar card or passport or driving license or voter ID card. Proof of address, anyone, passport or driving license or Aadhaar card or voter ID card or latest electricity bill or latest telephone bill or latest piped gas bill. Proof of income, anyone, for salaried. Income proof, latest salary certificate, salary slip from employer showing name, designation, salary details of deductions, and copies of income tax returns of last 3 years, together with latest income tax assessment order and advance tax challenge of current year and income tax return for last 3 years. Employer certificate about birth date, age, date of joining, likely date of retirements, etc. For self-employed, in case of businessmen, copies of financial statement, preferably audited, and income tax returns for last 3 years, together with copy of latest income tax assessment order and advance tax challenge of current year. Undertaking regarding purpose of loan. Rate of interest. Rate of interest is linked with civil personal score in case of individuals. Rate of interest starting from 10.10%. Rate of interest is calculated on daily reducing balance. Civil personal score of 760 and above. Yes, rate of interest on residential property is RBLR plus 0.75%. Civil personal score 760 and above. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 1.25% for on commercial or industrial self-occupied property. Civil personal score of 760 and above. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 1.50% on commercial or industrial non-self-occupied property. Civil personal score of between 700 to 759. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 1.25% on residential property. Civil personal score between 700 to 759. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 1.75% on commercial or industrial self-occupied property. Civil personal score between 700 to 759. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 2.2% on commercial or industrial non-self-occupied property. Civil personal score below 700. RBLR plus 3% only for review. No new loans to be sanctioned. Civil personal score -1 or 0. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 1.50% on commercial on residential property. Civil personal score -1 or 0. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 2% on commercial or industrial self-occupied property. Civil personal score -1 or 0. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 2.25% on commercial or industrial non-self-occupied property. Civil personal score other than individuals only for review purpose. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 2%. Additional 1% to be added in applicable rate of interest for loan against open plots. Additional 0.25% to be added in applicable rate of interest for overdraft reducible facility. Charges. Processing charges for individuals for loan repayable by installments. One time 1% of sanctioned loan amount, minimum rupees 5,000 and maximum rupees 50,000. For mortgage OD reducible 0.50% of the sanction limit, minimum rupees 5,000 and maximum rupees 30,000 for first year at the time of original sanction. 0.25% of the reviewed limit, minimum rupees 2500 and maximum rupees 15,000 for subsequent years. Other charges, document stamp charges, advocate fees, architect fees, inspection charges, surcharge charges, etc. on actual basis. Mortgage fee limits up to rupees 10 lakhs, rupees 5,000 plus GST. Limits exceeding rupees 10 lakhs and up to rupees 1 crore, rupees 10,000 plus GST. Limits exceeding rupees 1 crore and up to rupees 5 crore, rupees 20,000 plus GST. Limit exceeding rupees 5 crore, rupees 30,000 plus GST. Now, Bank of India Star Reverse Mortgage Loan. Bank of India Star Reverse Mortgage Loan, a special product that takes care of senior citizens' personal and financial needs. Features: maximum repayment tenure up to 180 months, that is 15 years. Quantum loan, minimum rupees 5 lakhs and maximum rupees 150 lakhs. Depending upon the age of the borrower, 35% to 55% margin of the value of property proposed to be mortgaged shall be stipulated. Advantages: a special product for senior citizens. ROI starting from 10.85%. Advantages: no hidden charges, no prepayment penalty. Eligibility: principal borrower should be a senior citizen of India aged above 60 years, not more than 80 years of age. Borrower shall be owner and occupant of residential property, house or flat located in India or jointly in the name of spouse. Residential property shall be free from any encumbrance. The borrowers should use the residential property as permanent primary residence. No monthly income or gross income criteria or pension as only source of income. The residual life of the property should be 1.5 times of the repayment period, minimum 20 years. Married couples will be eligible as joint borrowers for financial assistance at the discretion of the bank, subject to at least one of them being above 60 years of age and the other not below 55 years of age. Rate of interest 2% above 1 year MCLR fixed at monthly rate for the loan tenure, subject to reset clause at the end of every 5 years period. Charges Processing charges 0.25% the sanction limit, minimum rupees 1500 and maximum up to rupees 10,000. Valuation report fees and advocate fees to be borne by the borrower. Annual service charges of 0.25% on the loan amount outstanding recoverable at the time of annual review. Other charges document charges, stamp charges, advocate fees, architect fees, inspection charges, search charges, etc. on actual basis borne by the borrower. Documents copy of PAN card, identity proof, address proof, copy of Form 16 or IT return, wealth tax return or assessment order for last 3 years, xerox of passbook or statement of operating account for last 6 months. Copies of property documents such as registered agreement of property, latest tax paid receipt for land and house, non-encumbrance certificate wherever available, copy of society registration certificate, share certificate, allotment letter, etc. Original to submitted for verification. Undertaking regarding purpose of loan. Thank you very much for your patience.